here we have a, I don't know what you call this, 1/8 scale, 1/6, 1/7. It's bigger than a 10th scale. 20 volt power drive. It's a beast. So yeah, let's give it a run and see what it can do. It up. You have a basic steering trim on the controller. 2.4 gigahertz. Take it through the water. It'll be fine. So how does it feel? So this is a little bit different. It runs off a, we'll pull the body off and show you, but it runs off a 20 volt battery. But the cool thing about it is, once we get this off, here's your battery here. 20 volt drill set. You can use that in this. So this just pops out, and yeah, you can put a, you know, any 20 volt power drill, Sawzall, whatever, in there, and it is compatible, which is kind of cool. So if you have backup batteries, you get a lot more runtime that way. But basic spring shock setup. A lot of plastic, giant front and rear bumpers. It is pretty heavy. But yeah, rubber tires. Like I said before, proportional steering and throttle. But yeah, not bad for this price. All right, so the other cool thing about this truck, it comes with a camera mount, so GoPro. So we have this attachment that we just popped in there. So we're gonna go ahead and mount the camera to the truck and give you a little FPV view. Here we go. All right, we're gonna do a range test. Can you still control it? It says 150 feet on the box. I don't know why you'd want to go any farther than that, but it seems to be working all right at that distance. Alright guys, so this thing is actually pretty cool. So the best thing about this is if you're in the market for something under $100, under $90, under $80, don't buy anything from Walmart or Target, okay? You're not gonna get anything like that comparing to something like this. So for $75 with proportional throttle and steering, 20-volt battery, I don't think you can beat it at this price range. Any kid, even an adult's gonna like this. This is just fun to drive around. It's big, it's beefy. We tried to roll it, we couldn't roll it. And then you get this camera mount too, which is kind of cool. So yeah, so check this out, $75. Let me know if you can find something brand new for this size that'll beat this. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think about it. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.